I'm Meredith with XT, and this video is to demonstrate fitment for 18-inch wheels and 33-inch tires on a stock non-lifted 2- and 4-door Sport Sahara and Rubicon JL. In this video, I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, review the clearance with these wheels and tires, and what exactly to expect while driving with this setup on and off-road. The combination of 33-inch tires and 18-inch wheels is a popular setup with owners that have a stock non-lifted JL, as you can see from the pictures provided by JL owners. This is an ideal setup for those who are not lifting your Wrangler, but you want more of an aggressive stance with a slightly taller and slightly wider tire compared to the stock. Now, customers running this setup are staying mainly on the road with occasional light off-roading. Now, this wheel and tire combo will fit all non-lifted stock 2- and 4-door Sahara and Rubicon JLs without needing to do any major modifications. Now, for Rubicon owners, the 33-inch tire comes stock, so you definitely will not notice a difference inside the wheel well as far as clearance is concerned. Now, for Sport and Sahara owners, 33s will be slightly larger than stock, so clearance in the wheel well area will be a little bit tighter compared to the stock tires. Sport and Sport S owners will need to remove your front splash guard, as the larger tires will rub against it. Once the splash guard is removed, you will not have any rubbing issues. Now, running 33s on your stock non-lifted JL is absolutely fine for on-road daily driving and for some light off-roading situations, such as fire trails and minor rock crawling. This setup is free from any rubbing on suspension components and on the stock bumper. Now, in off-road situations that require a lot of articulation, you definitely will encounter some rubbing. Now, if you want to get more involved in some serious off-roading, we recommend having a leveling kit or even a lift kit installed, and you can find those right here on our site. A few things to keep in mind when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 33-inch tire is when you're driving on road, the ride will feel a little bit more sluggish with the 33s compared to the stock tires. Your speedometer will also read about 2 to 3 miles per hour slower than your actual speed, just due to the change to the larger tires. Now, the exception to this are the JL Rubicon owners who have a 33-inch tire from the factory. Now, this is not a big deal, and most Jeep owners just keep this in mind while they're driving. Now, this can be easily corrected with a SpeedCal calibrator or a tune for your Jeep, which can also be found right here on our site. Again, this setup of 33-inch tires with 18-inch wheels is a very popular setup with our customers and will give your JL a bit more of an aggressive look over the stock wheel and tire setup. Also, if you do purchase a set from Extreme Terrain, we make it very easy for you to get these onto your JL. You can have them mounted and balanced before being shipped out to you, and then just have a jack and a lug wrench for install, and you'll have these on in no time. And if you have any questions about this setup for your Jeep, you can call our customer service number and speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product review and install videos, and always keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.